over to kicking part. This is how a football game starts, and after every touchdown or field goal, or to start a second half or whatever, it's used by a kicker kicking a ball off of a tee. This is called a tee. We understand a lot of you might not have this piece of equipment, although you can get it at Dick's or whatever, okay? So if you don't have a tee, in your backyard you have grass, and you could kind of put a ball in the grass sort of the same way. If you just make a little hole, I always did this a little bit with my back of my heel, and there's a way it could kind of stand up, okay? If you find a little indentation, all right? The laces, and that's important, I'll tell you why. Because the laces should always be facing away from you. The laces right here should never be facing in on you when you're kicking the ball. It should be going away from you. And you want the ball upright, which is this, not laying down. You want it up. So in your grass in your backyard, if you can, it could kind of just stay there a little bit like this, all right? And then we want to kick it with the instep of our foot right here. Again, soccer is big now, and every kicker in football is a soccer-style kicker, all right? So you want to take a couple steps and step with the opposite foot, just like throwing. That's my opposite. And then I'm going to come through and try to hit it on the instep part of my foot and have the ball go, okay? And that is a kick. Okay, obviously you would take a couple steps if you could, sort of like this to get some momentum. If the tee goes and you have one, that's totally fine. You want to kick it low so the ball goes high. All right, you don't want to kick what you call a ground ball, like in baseball or softball. You want the ball to go up. So you kick it down here, and the ball will rotate up this way. And that is your kicking tip of